When I'm in a car, I can't wait to get there. And when I'm on a bike, I can't wait to not get there. I feel 100% that there's a spiritual connection to riding a bike.
Drive me down to the pine trees.
You're at play with the environment. You are, in essence, I think, meditating.
Hopes and dreams. I feel you breathing in your heartbeat. Spinning tires, satellite, fire.
You can't do anything on a bike except ride the bike and breathe. And that to me is beautiful.
Great skies make pitch black nights. We carve our names with our headlights. Open your eyes and you will see. Home is you and me.
The first bike I had was a Honda CB750, and I was, God, I was 15. I shouldn't have even been on it. And I bought this pile of crap from a friend, and I just loved it. I was hooked instantly.
Faster and faster, we burst into life. Graffiti in our hands and fuel at our feet. Spinning tires, let 'em burn. Fire on the street. Don't be afraid, it's not your fault. I'll lift you up when others won't. Where there are lies, I'll be the truth. And I wanna.
You know, it sounds like I'm hyperbolic to say it, but the bike sort of saved my life. That was my outlet, and that was my place I would go.